Hi! In front of me is Realme GT 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find auto rotate icon and tap on it. As you can see, now this icon is blue. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. But you can always go into device settings, scroll down a bit, choose display and brightness, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. As you can see, auto rotation is now on because the switcher is blue, but you can always just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!